Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Today's request comes from my YouTube friend, My Life Wendy. She asked if I could do a tutorial on marbling nail design. So, Wendy, I decided to show you 4 easy ways. This first one is what you probably see on many channels. Color is added in random sections, or if you're like me with OCD, you'll tend to place the color in some sort of pattern. Either way, it's going to get moved around, so you can't go wrong. It will take some getting used to figuring out how much polish to place, but remember, any excess can always be wiped away before curing. A thin art brush or a tiny dotting tool will do the job, and you just swirl in a random pattern, very lightly, barely touching the polish. You also want to avoid swirling too much, because you'll lose the design effect and the colors will just become blended together. I don't know if this looks marble, but I'm okay with how it looks. You can always lightly fill in any gaps. I decided to add touches of glitter polish, and here's a side note. The glitter could have also been added after the main colors were cured. No right or wrong here. Once you're happy with the outcome, you can cure your design. And let me also point out, if you're not happy with the design, it can be wiped away with alcohol for you to start over before curing. Me, I'm working with a 75-watt lamp, so I cured for about 35 seconds or so, then did a top coat off camera. The next one I think is the most fun and appeals to any artsy and crafty satisfaction. Generously lay lines of color on a palette. It doesn't matter however many colors you choose. I decided on blue. I ran out of white, so switched to cream and then green. By the way, all the colors I used are from Modelones. Make even lines, then take a dotting tool or anything with a tiny point and create a back and forth zigzag-like pattern through the colors. And you don't want to do this too much either. Again, the colors will just end up blending together. I think this looks good. Using a flat gel brush, you're going to slide into the polish and scoop up the polish onto the tip of the brush. Now, here's the key thing to remember in this technique. It will almost seem that you should flip the brush over to polish onto the nail, but you're not. Keeping the gel polish on top, lay the brush flush to the surface of the nail, then unload the polish as you move the brush backward. It's actually so easy. The polish just starts sliding right off. Repeat this on the empty areas until the nail is mostly filled in. Once you've gotten as much on the nail as you can use what's remaining on the palette and fill any gaps. And you can do that part like you're polishing regularly. I love this technique. It's the forming of the unique patterns for me. This next one I feel is the most popular look of all marbling designs. I polished a solid color. You can use any color of your choice. After all, we're just learning technique today. My one regret though is I should have used more of a nude, but it still turned out nice. I chose white for the marble accent and was struggling to get it out the almost empty bottle. And you know what? The thing is, I don't even have any more white gel polish. Well, I guess that's another excuse for me to go shopping. This will require some alcohol. I have it set aside in my dapping dish. You can take your flat-ended brush and saturate it with a little alcohol, but I always tap it on a paper towel because you really don't need the brush fully soaked. Gently use the tip of the brush hairs to touch the blotted polish, and it'll begin to disperse the color. Continue doing this until you're satisfied. I like to work along the edges of the color and try to keep or form that subtle line you usually see in marble. I continue to do this until I feel it looks most realistic. Isn't this so cool? Remember, you can add more polish if you feel to do so because you haven't cured yet. Now, this last one is definitely the easiest of all. I stumbled across this idea about 1.5 years ago, and at first I was like, what? Use a Sharpie on a nail design? Yes, honey, this is definitely the greatest marbling hack. So as you see, I just drew some unpredictable lines with the Sharpie. And similar to the last design, but for this in particular, I start with a small, fine pointed brush. The reason for this is to not disperse the color too suddenly or dramatically and cause staining. Also because it will already be drying while you're working. But you can still continue with the alcohol and it will thin it out until you like your design. After doing this, I felt I could have worked it more because to me, the black was still so dark and I could have did it more to create some fade to gray from the lines, but we learn as we continue to do it again and again, and I still like it. Thank you, Wendy, for this request. And again, Wendy's YouTube channel is My Life Wendy. Her channel is all about lifestyle, health, and well-being. She does unboxings and great reviews on things of fashion, makeup, and a lot of exclusive self-care products. Visit her channel and let her know I sent you in love. I hope this marble gel polish design tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button and let me know. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because there's so much more, like bougie nails on a budget and masked finger. If you decide to subscribe, remember to hit the Nailification bell so you don't miss any more. Thank you so much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love!